Yes, students, now come to the question number 7. The question number 7 required a little understanding that three bells ring at an interval of 36, 40, and 48 minutes, respectively. If they start ringing simultaneously, find when these will again ring at the same time. You have to find out the time when these bells, which are ringing at the interval of, there are three bells and they are ringing with the difference of 36 minutes, 40 minutes and 48 minutes. Right? I hope this line is clear that there are three bells and they are ringing with the difference of time. Their ringing time difference is 36 minutes, 40 minutes and 48 minutes, and they told us to find out the time when these three bells will ring again together at the same time. It means the first time when they ring together will be the least time, right? So it means we have to find out the least time at which these three bells will ring together. So with this understanding, I came to know that I have to find out the LCM. In the same way, we will take the LCM of 36, 40 and 48. We will solve the question as well. I mostly solved all the question with the same method, so it will be easy to understand and you will not get confused if you follow the same method. I solve this question with the factorization method again. I take the LCM of 36, 40 and 48. The LCM of 36, I get the factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And the factors of 40 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. And 48, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. So I write all the factors in the same way. The factors of 36, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Factors of 40, 3 times 2 and 1 times 5. Factors of 48, 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. Then I write the common factors, make the pairs, then I make the pairs of the given numbers. You can see I make the pair of 2. I make this 3 numbers are 2 is common in 3 numbers, so I make its pair. As I told you, in LCM we can make a pair of 2 numbers as well. If 2 is present in 40 and 48, we can make its pair, right? Similarly, 3 is present in 36 and 48, so I make its pair as well. So the common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 and 1 times 3. These are the common factors. The left behind numbers are non-common factors, and those numbers are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2, 3 and 5. These are the non-common factors. As we all know that LCM is the product of common and non-common factors, so we will multiply all the common and non-common factors. We will combine them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. 1, 2. 2 times 3 and 1 times 5. Similarly, as I told you, you will take the product. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Then 3 3s are 9 and multiply by 5. You will multiply them, you will get 720 minutes. Students, as we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. If I told you to convert the minutes into hours, so what you will do? Right. Whenever you will convert the minutes into hour, you will divide it by 60, because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour and you have to convert 720 minutes into 1 hour. So what you will do? You will divide it by 60 to convert it into hours. You can see I reduce 0, then 6 ones are 6, 1 carry, 6 twos are 12. In this way, after 12 hours, these three bells will ring together at the same time. Right? Listen my words, that after 12 hours, these three bells which are ringing at the time difference of 36 minutes, 40 minutes and 48 minutes. After 12 hours, they will ring together at the same time. I hope student the concept given to you in question number 7 is clear to you. Still, if you have any query, any question, you may ask in a QA session. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.